Hey everyone, okay, so I'm going to give you a bit of an update on my skincare because after the last two videos I posted, the amount of comments people have written asking me about what I'm doing to my skin and what have I changed and what products am I using. So I thought I'd update you in this video. So as you know, my skincare routine is pretty simple. Cleanser in the morning, sunscreen at night. I use a prescription strength product. You know, none of those things have changed. But what I have done is included a couple of new products, well, technically 1.5 brand new products, which is probably why my eye area is looking so much better. And it's interesting, you see yourself every day, so you don't really notice it. And it was only when I was rewatching a video and reading the comments that I remember thinking, it's actually working. So the new product that I've included is by Serum, ABOI, and this is a kind of silky gel serum, which of course is an eye serum, so it's counteracting, you know, puffiness and dark circles, reducing fine lines, smoothing the skin, all of that kind of stuff. But it's also enriched with oxygen, which is why I think my under eye area just looks so much brighter and tighter than it did before. And the one thing I am doing with this product, and I'm using this twice a day, but the thing that I'm doing is I'm actually using a kind of facial massage technique around the eye area. So basically, I'm going to apply the product to the skin, and then I'm just massaging it with pressure, but not really intense pressure. And I'm continuing to massage that eye area until basically the product starts to dry, at which point, you know, I just stop because I don't want to tug at the skin. Now, I'd like to say that I do this twice a day. I use the product twice a day, but I tend to just do the massage technique mainly in the evening. I do it sometimes in the day, but I do have a tendency to forget things, especially in the morning. I'm not a massive fan of the mornings, but when I can, I do it twice a day. I do think that is helping, but there is just something about the product that just seems to be working with my skin and around the eye area. And for me, the eye area has always been my most problematic area. So it's quite extraordinary to look back at those videos, because I've been using this product now for 4 and a bit weeks. So it's very interesting to look back at the video and actually see, oh yeah, it is actually working. Because you see yourself every day, so it can be difficult to tell things. Now, the other eye product that I'm using by Serum is a product called Insight. And this is a very peculiar product for me. And it's basically eye patches. And you kind of activate them in the container itself. And they get the actual strips get absorbed with this gorgeous fluid, and then you put them on your eyes. Now, this isn't a product I use every single day. I've only used this about once a week, sometimes twice if I'm going somewhere and I want to look better. But these patches deliver billions of bioidentical collagen fibers, which is just, if you use it once, you will see what I mean. The eye area is beyond hydrated, and I truly mean that. It is beyond hydrated, like nothing I have ever seen before. And obviously for me personally, the ABO, that is the product that I use every day. This is that kind of treat product, but the presence of so much moisture and hydration to that area, it just looks incredible after you take them off. And there's one thing to mention, I use these in the evening, and when I have taken it off, any excess product that's underneath the eyes, I just massage all over my face. So I'm not wasting it, I just massage it in. But those are the only 2 brand new real products that I've included in my routine that I haven't been using before. Otherwise, it is the same cleanser, sunscreen, prescription strength product, a moisturizer, which is always very generic. This is the only 2 new additions. Now, obviously, there are other things that I do to my skin. So, of course, I use the LED mask. I use the Current Body one. I've been using it forever. And I've recently been trialing a few others. None of them have compared to the Current Body one. So that's my favorite one, which, of course, I'm still using. And I also use New Face. And I use this a couple of times a week. Nothing super addictive. You know, 2 times, sometimes 3, mostly 2, just to go over the contours of the face, just to add that kind of microcurrent level to the skin. But otherwise, everything is just the same. There you have it. That's my routine. I wanted to do this because the comments have been so overwhelming. But other than the Circel products, everything else has remained the same. And I think definitely if you do struggle with your eye area, and for me, it's always pretty much only been the area of concern, these have been quite game changers, and I didn't even know it until I looked at the comments in the video, and then it hit me. That's the beauty of seeing yourself every single day in the mirror. You don't always see things, but I'm definitely going to be continuing with them. Use the whole thing up. I'm going to repurchase and probably repurchase again and again. I think the combination of these products with the facial massage technique and just is giving me something that I didn't have before. So I'm going to continue. Thanks very much for watching. Really appreciate it. All the information is right down in the description bar, obviously. Thank you very much for your time. See you all soon. Bye-bye.